Okay, this is Karen at Sonrise Ranch Bees in the PD of South Carolina. It's July 3rd, 2018, and I'm just doing a quick hive inspection. I want to make sure we're not running out of room here, and I want to see if the brood is capped, and so we're just going to be going through here real quick. If I see the queen, I'm going to try and catch her because I'd like to get her marked so I know who she is. So anyway, these frames, 1, 2, 3, up to the third frame here are not drawn out. They've started doing a little bit of work on this side. Kind of wonky there, but they're working on it. So I'm just going to let them keep going. We got capped brood. Little bit spotty, but she is a new queen, and I don't know exactly. She had a lot of drone brood comb to work around, so I see larvae in the empty cells, so I'm thinking and some eggs in the empty cells, so she's working on getting things straightened out here. And let's see what we're doing here. Yeah, I don't see any eggs on this side. Yeah, so then maybe she'll be on the next frame. Don't see much of anything on here. On this side in the middle, I think it's mostly empty cells. I'm not seeing any eggs in this frame at the moment. I think there's some capped here on this end. I think they're cleaning them up. So, and I'm not seeing her. This looks like a new baby girl right here. This one. There's a queen cup here, empty. I see lots of larvae on this frame. And I'm not seeing her. Where are you, Esther? There's a queen cup. Or is that the one I pointed to before? Right here on the outside edge. I don't know if you can see the larva in those cups at the bottom. Well, we got some capping going on here. Still kind of a spotty pattern, but I'm not going to hold that against her yet because the frames that she was working on had a lot of drone brood and wonky cells going on, so hopefully they'll get it straightened out. Still like to get my eyes on her though. I'm not seeing many honey stores here either. I started feeding them sugar water about 3 days ago in a community feeder. So hopefully they'll start building up some more honey and nectar in here. A lot of pollen. I'm seeing, I don't know if you can see all the little black things in there. I'm not sure what all that is. In the bottom of these pollen cells. Hopefully we'll get a good look at that. Maybe you guys will have some answers. Still not seeing Esther. We keep looking. And we really have nothing going on these two outside frames here on the other side. So we'll see how. So I'm going to back up here and look on my way out as I'm exiting. I'm just going to give these a quick glance again. But I'm not seeing her. Well, they're sure looking better than they were. I'm happy to see what we got going on here. I would sure like to get a look at her, though. I really wanted to get her marked today, now that she's had some time to settle down in here and get to work. This whole hive was the beginning, started out as a swarm. So, come quite far in the past month. This one, again, there is a queen cup, definitely empty. Oh boy. I think there's quite a few new bees on here. Their wings are still really close and tight to their bodies, and so I'm happy to see that they're starting to hatch. So but I'm still not seeing Esther anywhere. some of this brood here waiting to be capped. I'm not seeing Esther.
Really?
I see eggs. And they're working on drawing out